Hello, today is February 23rd, 2023. My name is Renee Wyler, and I'm an SEC whistleblower and a friend of the DOJ. Today I'm sending a letter out to the U.S. Supreme Court in support of Brunson versus Adams. The case number is 22380. And so first of all, I'm going to give you a little background. And on the 21st, February 21st, I presented this letter to our county commissioners. So they all have a legal notice of this memo, which is very important. So we're going to go right into looking at the letter. And here we have a letter from to Francis V. Keneally, the clerk of the Massachusetts Supreme Court. And pursuant to MRAP Rule 16.1, petitioner hereby submits the following authority of signer of the Federal National Mortgage Association. So you'll see this several court cases, and we're not going to put those up today, but you can get them on Rory Woods, that's R-O-R-I-E, Woods, page on academia.edu. And so what we're going to show you is the sections here. So you are going to see some case law here in 1 and 2. In 3, the defendants relied on 2 forms of law firm retention agreements. And you can read that for yourself. So I'm going to cut to the quick and go down to 6, Roman numeral 6. Every law firm in the Commonwealth who signed this agreement agreed to keep the true party of interest, the government, confidential while pursuing land takings. For those performing bankruptcy work, attorneys agreed to keep the government hidden on proof of claim forms. So there you have it. And we'll go down to section 7. And you can read it. Acknowledges that Fannie Mae would face significant legal and reputational risk if identified as the government, citing examples of matters, any issue involving FNMA's conservatorship, status as a federal instrumentality, or an interpretation of FNMA's charter as a second market participant. FHMA, that's Freddie Mac, was not allowed to own or take ownership of any property. Now let's back up right there, because I have a customer. I'm a former mortgage broker, and I originated a mortgage, a Fannie Mae mortgage, that was foreclosed upon by Freddie Mac. And this was done through, I believe it was Marcy J. Ford of Trott and Trott. And I have given the SEC a collection of all her fraudulent mortgage assignments. And I just found another one where she defrauded my mortgage company as the original lender. So this man's home in Leelanau County, Michigan, which is valued at somewhere around $250,000, was sold for $36,000 to an investor. And right here we're seeing Freddie Mac was not allowed to own or take ownership of any property. So we're going to have to do something, because the local government doesn't want to mess with this, but we're going to take it to them, to the commissioners, and to the constitutional sheriff, because our prosecutor believes these issues to be civil matters. So in order for a homeowner to challenge this RICO scheme, they have to go get an attorney and waste all their money, because the attorneys are in on it. So this is the end of section, or part 1, I should say. I'm going to do another video on the other 2 pages of this horrendous document. But everyone needs to take this to their county clerk and say, no, we reject this. We reject all of this. And so thank you for watching.